all, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Ishika. So recently my Pinterest feed was literally filled with all of these dewy makeup look. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right or wrong. So I thought of giving it a try. Although it's like been 10 days I haven't posted any video, but anyway, so starting with my moisturizer. Remember, skin prep is very much important and I'm not using sunscreen because I'm shooting this video and it's evening already, so yes. I blend my moisturizer in this technique. I have chubby cheeks, so I need to massage my face so that it looks a little less chubby. Applying Douyin Base lip balm. Starting this makeup with the base, and here I am using Swiss Beauty's glowy makeup primer, and this is one of my favorite primer because it gives that glowy texture on your skin. I've taken a very little amount. Alright, in the next step you can use both the foundation and the concealer, but here I'll skip foundation because the concealer that I'm using is L'Oreal's concealer and it's like chef's kiss, it gives full coverage. Applying concealer on the dark spots, not on the whole face. One minute drop of this concealer is enough to cover your whole face. So yeah. Adding some setting spray on the sponge and blending it completely well. Blend it thoroughly. In the next step, I'll again use a concealer but in the lighter shade, and I am using a brush to blend my concealer. And to blend the concealer on the inner corner of my eyes, I'll be using a beauty sponge. Using a setting powder to set my concealer. I'm using this setting powder under my eyes. I'm applying this setting powder under my eyes and the side of my lips because these two are the only portion where my concealer gets creases the most. Alright, I'll leave it like this and I'll go to my eye portion straight away. For eyeshadow, I'll use this thin brush and a light brown shade, and I will draw a line. We'll take another orangish kind of shade and we'll blend it again on the same portion of my eyes that I was doing before. Removing the excess powder from my face. Using this dark brownish shade and taking a thin brush and drawing an underline under my eyes. Now applying eyeshadow on the line that I have drawn there and blending it completely well. This is the actual task that is crucial for this makeup look. Now taking a glittery eyeshadow and filling those lines and giving it a more highlighted look. Now after this I'll take a medium size eyeshadow brush and we'll take a lightish pink shade. Now finally I'll be taking this glitter eyeshadow and I will apply it under my eyes. Next I applied eyeliner. Don't make your eyeliner too bold. Now applying this white eyeshadow on my waterline as I don't have any white color kajal. Be very careful while applying mascara. Now I'll be applying highlighter on my eyes. applying and blending blush, I'll apply highlighter on my nose and on the side of my cheekbones. This makeup look is totally based on your eye makeup and the glow that you are adding through the highlighter. So do apply it carefully. So after my face makeup, I'm going to my lips. So the first shade of lipstick that I'm applying matches my lip color completely. And I'm applying it at first on the inner part of my lips and blending it with the help of my hand. And after that, I'll apply a lip gloss, blending it again with my hand. And then I'm using Lakmé's lip mousse. And finally, I'll apply a bit of eyeshadow to give a matte texture on the upper part of my lips.